What is going on YouTube? It's Sank and we are back with another one. Now in this drop, coming at you guys with a couple of plays and a bring to attention. Before I kick things off, if you'd like to help out the channel by hitting that like button, because it keeps the show rolling. Alright guys, that wraps up another day in these markets. Now you already see the title, so in this one we're looking to make these big money moves because we're talking stocks that will make the double up. Now, I'm excited for this one because I'm loving it when the family's making money using the stock market, and we're just going to add these plays to our growing collection of plays that have made that double up. Always looking to put you guys one step ahead of the game, and as always I've got a jam-packed one for you in this one. Now before I get to these plays I'm going to talk to you guys about, I want to put a few of our portfolio plays in the spotlight so you guys can see where we're hitting success right now. So we're going to kick things off with Revolve, ticker symbol RVLV. You guys know all about this play now. This is one, when I last spoke to you about them, they're in the low 60s. I said we're taking this one through into the 70s. Check that stock price, $65. Better yet, check that week performance, up 18.25%. So we're flying right now on this one. Next play I've got for you, that's ROKU, ticker symbol ROKU. Added another 5% on the day. You guys know I spoke to you about this one yesterday, so up 10% in 2 days. Better yet, check that week performance, up over 18%. Another 18% on the week. So the beauty about the markets and these plays, guys, is if you're in them with me, all we got to do is just hold firm as these plays continue their climb. These plays are far from over. I'm going to continue to hit success with these plays. All right, guys, let's jump into plays that will make the double up. So those of you who know me well now know I had to kick things off by gracing your screens with this one. That's ticker symbol HITI. That's high tide. As you guys saw, this play was on the move today, bounced off that support line that I've been telling you guys about that comes in the mid sevens. Okay, so check me out. Your boy's been accumulating his position. I'm 1,000 deep in this one now, and we're in the green. So most of you guys who've been following that blueprint, you too will be in the green on this play because we've been accumulating our position on this one while they've been on the low around the 750 mark or even below that. But I'll let you guys know, regardless of where your position's at right now, there's a lot more room to run in this one. I'm going to make a lot of money on this play. So this one, there's several things to like. Whether it is the fact they're growing 100% year on year and they're posting up profitability, whether it's the fact that they're on course to hit 100 retail outlets, or they're just consolidating in the industry, making a name for themselves, this is going to be a big potential play, one of our winning plays. So I'm going to ensure you guys just continue to build your position in this one. I'm going to give you guys a heads up. Yes, earnings are coming up next week, Monday. That's the 28th of June. So I want you guys to put that date in your calendar. I'm expecting good things from this play for them to follow suit with all of our other plays of crushed earnings. We've had a great earnings season. I'm expecting high tide to just be another one of the plays that outperforms. Now, regardless of what that stock price does, if we see that volatility in the short term, I want to let you guys know this is going to be one of our double up plays in the medium term. That's 6 to 12 months, and I'm expecting them to complete the mission well before that. But I'm just being conservative with that. Okay, so I'm going to take this play up to that $15 mark. So there's big upside on that current stock price. This is one of the market's overlooked, undervalued plays at the moment. It's a gem in the market. So the idea is to get on board with this one and ride the wave. Now it doesn't stop there. That's the medium term price target, but as it continues to evolve and expand, I'm expecting this one to triple our money, okay, in the longer term. So again, this is going to be a multi-year winning play. And if you check out that price action on the day, this one's up almost 6% in touching distance of $8. So it just goes to show you guys, you've got to ignore that short-term volatility. It's only a couple of days ago, this one almost dropped below $7. Now it's in touching distance of $8, and there's a lot more room to climb from here. So you guys should ensure you continue to accumulate and build your position in this one because we're all going to win on this play. Let's run the next one. So I'm going to touch on ticker symbol GRWG, that's Grow Generation. Now these two plays, they're like tag team partners in their industry. They differ in size and the verticals that they move in, but they're both underappreciated, undervalued plays with big upside, and they're both silently killing the game. So I'm going to make sure this one's also on your radar. Standing $42, so they're slightly higher than when we last spoke about the play because they were $40. Got to realize this one's in full consolidation mode right now in the low 40s. So you just need to continue to accumulate and build your position in this play while it's at this price level. This one is no stranger to moving 8, 9, 10% in a single trading session. So to make sure you guys are on board, ready for that type of price movement. Now, I'm loving the fact that the market is gifting us these price levels in these high caliber plays. So we just got to make the most of it. Let's get to the next one. So I'll see you guys down in the comment section. Sankey, can we get more UK plays? Can we get more UK plays? So that's ticker symbol EZJ, that's EasyJet. So for my UK army, this is my gift to you in a play that will double up. So the airline industry has had its setbacks. it's delays. Now this is just a short-term fixture. This will pass, doors of international travel will be fully reopened, and this play will get back up to speed. So I'm gonna make sure this one's on your radar. Check out that 3-month stock price. Right now, this one's in full consolidation mode. So it's trading well, that is, it's trading sideways. Now, last time we spoke about this play, they were at the bottom of that consolidation channel around the 930 mark. Now they've moved up to the midway point at 970. So there's still a buy where they're at right now. Here or below is optimum entry on this play. Now, let me remind you guys, pre-pandemic levels on this one was 1500. So this is a double up play once those doors of international travel are fully reopened, and this play is firing on all cylinders. So make sure you guys get your piece of the action on this one. Now towards the end of the week, I'll come at you guys with another UK play so you can add that to your collection. Let's run the next one. So the next one I've got for that ticker symbol OEG, that's Orbital Energy. Now this play is no stranger to us around here because this is one we first picked up around the $1 mark last year, and a lot of us made a ton of money on this play. But I'll let you guys know the fun doesn't have to stop there. So just recently we saw this one spike up to around $8. Now this one's in full cool off mode and it's currently in the 4. So my interest is starting to build in this play. Now what you guys got to realize is the further this one comes down, the better and bigger the opportunity becomes in this play. Now this is one that's an up and coming promising play within the energy space, diversified in what they do, and rest assured management is going to continue to build this play through partnerships, through bigger deals, through acquisitions to move this one on. So as I say, my interest is starting to build at these levels. My interest is going to be very heightened once this one drops below $4. And if I can catch this one in the mid threes, I'll be looking to make entry around that level, okay? So this is one that could be a $7 play in the medium term. As I say, there's a lot of catalysts to move this one on. They're building their business behind the scenes. I'm expecting big things for the play. But right now, this one's on the watch list. I like to give you guys a heads up on these plays, let you guys know the direction they're going ahead of time so you guys can prep, do your diligence, get ready to pounce on the opportunity and make those returns with me. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time is. Are you worried about the market as a whole? Even if these stocks are good, if the market, the bed, everything will drop. So to wrap this one up and to share this one with you, now, as I've been saying to you guys over the last couple of days, what still hangs above these markets is inflation concerns. And yes, they could feed into the market with lower prices. But the key here is they could. It's not certain, it's not guaranteed, and it's temporary move. Now, the stock market brings its heat, can bring its volatility. That's just the nature of the beast. But that's why the reward is much higher than investing into other asset classes like bonds, for example, where the payouts are more scheduled, more structured, but they're lower than the stock market. I'm gonna put you guys on two pieces of game here. Now, even if we were to hit headwinds into the market, the key here is I'm a longer term investor. So if a play like a High Tide or a Grow Generation or any of my other quality plays comes down in price, always have dry powder on hand to deploy into the market to catch those cheaper prices. And guess what? I'll be better off in that situation in the longer term because I'll net all those returns on the way back up to the current price level, and I'll continue to make gains as they make their way up over time. Now, the second nugget I've got for you is this. I always have a portion of my holding that's allocated for the short term. So when these plays do make that run, that 30, 50%, 100% up, whatever the case may be, what I can do is take money off the table. So if there's a pullback, I've already locked in high levels of profit. Now, applying these two strategies and tactics allows me to continue to stay active in the market, not worry about short-term events, and continue to hit success over time. Alright, so that wraps up for this one. If you've got any questions for me, leave them down below and I get back to you. I want to say I appreciate you guys. On your way out, light up that comment section for me. If you're new, join the movement, and I catch you in the next one.